Here we have a Launch Creader. This scanner works on most popular makes and models. It is able to read and clear codes from the engine control unit, transmission, airbag module, and also the ABS or the anti-lock brakes. On some models, it can also access several other units. We can read codes, and you can see the message there, and it says current. Once you fix the problem, you can just come back and hit clear fault codes, and you should be able to erase it. You are also able to stream some live sensor data for diagnostic. Things that you can see are, for example, steering angle position or the ABS wheel speed sensor. Let's take a look at dynamic stability control in this BMW. Here you can read codes and you can also clear them, or you can show some live sensor data such as the wheel speed sensor or steering angle sensor. Continue to watch to check out some of the features that the Launch Creader offers.